Hello everyone, this is Renee from Hightop-Poultry equipment. Now I'm in a Philippine poultry farm. In my left side, you can see there is a generator. There are two sets of generator as spare. And around it is a small office and the bigger rounded tank. It is a water tank, and across it is a water filter room. And in my right hand, this is the egg house used to collect the eggs and do the egg breeding, egg washing. And next to it, it is the poultry house. It is 14,000 layer chickens in one house, and the house size is 105 meters long and 13 meters in wide, 4 meters in height. Total 40,000 layer chickens. Later, I will introduce you one by one. Okay. Dear friend, this is Renee from Hightop-Poultry equipment. Now I'm in a Philippine farm. It is 40,000 layer farm. I will give an introduction. In this side, it is a 40,000 layer poultry farm. And in this side, it is the egg house. And you can see the central egg collection land. The eggs will be transported from the poultry house to the egg house directly. And later I will introduce you how it works. The eggs will drop to the egg belt, and when you press the button, the egg belt will ring, so the eggs will transport to the front. There is a plate can guide the eggs to different directions, and each tiles have different directions. And there is a soft egg filter, so the soft eggs will drop to the plate directly. It won't dirty the machine. So the healthy eggs will transport to the egg click and go up and go to the central egg collection land directly. So all eggs will transport outside. This is the central egg collection land. You can see. From here, the eggs will transport to the egg house. There is a cover here. This is the egg house, and we provide the material for the house. The wall, we use the EPS panels, and for the roofing material, we use the fiberglass wall material. And let's go inside to have a look. This is an egg grader. At shorting, it is 500 and 5,400 eggs per hour capacity. So the workers can collect the eggs here and put the eggs to here. Also, we will connect the machine with the central egg collection line together. Here, you see the hole. The outside is the central egg collection line, and it will go inside of the house and connect with this device. And here, connect the egg grade machine. And how to collect eggs. There is a control box. Let's have a look. This is the control box for the egg collection machine. So the workers no need to go inside of the poultry house. They can collect eggs here. Just press the button. The eggs will transfer to this house directly. It's very automatic. Now I will introduce you how the machine feed chickens. This is the automatic feeder machine. You can see it is 4 enclosed design, so the ducks won't come in, and you can find the hole to see the feed amount. And here, there is a feed distribution device, so the feed can drop to the feed trough, and you can see there are the scales. You can set up the scale amount, feed amount according to the chicken age, to make sure all rows have the same feed amount. And this is a rubber to remind the chickens. And there is a feed return device. It is here, and the machine will come here. And there is a magnet. They will close. They will be together, and also put the face inside. So this can help to save the face. Don't waste face. And here is the zinc, mag, and aluminum feed trough. Its material is corrosion resistance. And you can see its shape. It is V-shape, V-type. Inside is lower and outside is higher, so the chicken face won't spalling out. This design also can help to save the face. And from the top, you will see how the face automatically transfer into the feed hopper. There is the horizontal feed line, and there is a slat feed line. This is the slat feeding line, and you can see there is a big silo, and the silo will transfer the face to the slat feeding line. And also we have a silo weighing system, so it can measure how many fish used per day. And how to feed the silo. There is an elevator. So the workers can directly put the second fish to here, and there is a motor can transfer the fish to the silo directly, and transfer to the inside automatic feeder machine. The silo can store 3 or 5 days the feed amount. How do the chicken manure cleaning? The chicken manure will drop to the manure belt directly. The manure belt is 1.2 millimeter thickness. It is very durable, and you can see it is a special welding way, so the manure belt is durable, it's tight. And the manure belt, there is a scraper, can do the manure removal. And at the end, there is another scraper, can scrape the chicken manure, drop to the horizontal manure belt directly, and transport outside. So. This is the horizontal manure belt, and the manure transport to the slat manure belt, and transfer to the cleaning truck directly. And there is a cover to protect the belt and the motor to avoiding the rain. This is the cage system, and the length is 1.2 meters, and one nest length is 0.6 meters long, and the widest is 0.62 meters wide. So it is 8 chickens in one nest. And on the top, there is a top well to avoiding the chicken picking the manure belt. And this is the door. You can see the wire is very thick. It is 3.8 millimeter thickness. So it is very stable, and there is a click to lock the door so the chickens won't coming out. And the bottom wire, it is elastic, so the eggs will directly drop to the egg belt. And under the bottom wire, there are 4 support wire. You can see here, there are 4 support wire. So even if the chickens are heavy, the cages also can support them. And the cage material, it is think aluminum or oil. Its lifetime is more than 15 years old. It has a greater corrosion resistance. And for the cage frame, it is made of think aluminum and mag material. It is 1.2 millimeter thickness, very stable. It is U-type. And 1.2 meters have 2 frame. So the structure is very stable. And you can clap on here. This is the water source, and the water comes here. There is a tank, and through the tubes go inside of the house. Okay, the water comes here, and there is a water meter. Go forward, there is a water filter. And this is another water filter. It can filter the impurity. And go first, this is the dosser. You can enter medicine here and to do the immune to the chickens. And from these pipes, directly the water go into here. This is the water pipes, and this is the water pressure regulator, the yellow one. It can adjust the water pressure to make sure all the chickens get enough water. And inside, this is the square water pipes, and you can see there are 3 nibble drinkers in one nest. And this is 2 nests. 8 chickens in one nest, so it is 16 chickens use 3 nibble drinkers. Under the water pipes, there is a water troughs, can collect the waters and directly flow out. This is the end of the cage system, and the water pipes from here. There is a scale. If sort of waters, you can see from here. Now we already know it is a fully automatic equipment, including the automatic feeding, automatic drinking, automatic egg collection, and automatic manure removing. You also can see it is a closed house, so we also need the ventilation cooling system to create a good environment to the chickens. The ventilation cooling system including the fans, cooling pipe, deflector, air inlet windows. Now you see it is the fans. It is the cone fans. It can send out the dirty air. And this is 16 cone fans in total for 40,000 layer chickens. The material is galvanized, and inside there are 6 stainless steel fan blade, and it is a belt drive. In the cooling pipe room, this is the cooling pipe. You can see there are the net. Both sides have the net to avoid the moist, the birds come in. And this is the papers. Here it is a big water pour, and if the weather is the temperature is high, so we need the cooling pipe work with the fans together. There are waters here, and there is a water pump here, so the waters will go to the cooling pipes and the water evaporator. So there are cold airs. The cold airs will go inside of the house. This is the deflector. You can see there are angles, so the cold air will go up directly and mix with the house inside hot air, so it will become mild. The chickens can feel the mild airs, so it won't get cold. This is the air inlet windows. It cooperates with the fans together. The air inlet windows can let the fresh air in, and the fans can get the dirty airs out. They work together to create a good environment for chickens, to provide the suitable temperature and humidity for the chickens. This is a controller for the disinfection systems. Here you can see there is the disinfection sprayer, and it can use to do poultry house disinfection, and in the hot weather also can use to lower the inside temperature. This is the LED light. It is special light for the chickens, no flicker, and their position is different. Some light in higher position, and some light in a lower position, because it is 4 tiers of the chicken cages. So the lower and higher light can take care of all the tiers to make sure all the chickens can get light. This is a control room for the fully automatic equipment. They are all operated here. There is a environment controller. This is Monteur brand and English versions. So it can control the fans and the deflectors and the feeding machines here. And This controller, it is control the lighting. This is the second control rooms, and this is another control cabinet. This is used to control the automatic manure removal system, including the vertical manure machine and the horizontal manure belt machine and the slant manure belt machine, also including some fans. This is a controller for the egg collection machine, the stop. And for left one, this is for the right one. This is the poultry house for the 40,000 layer chickens. And this way, you can see there are still a big land. So the farm owners will expand another 2 or 3 buildings after loading chickens in this one house.